Welcome to MarineMax Stuart. My name is Brian McGlenn. Today I'm standing in front of an all-new 2024 Sea Ray 350 SLX Outboard. This boat's a beautiful boat. Something very exciting is the all-new engine power. So this boat was traditionally powered with either triples or twin 350 inline 6-cylinder engines. But this new power package, this boat's going to fly. We have the 400 V10 naturally aspirated engine package. Boat is equipped with the beautiful Sea Ray blue hull side color with a horizon gel stripe. You'll see up in the boat we do currently have the cover on, so for storage purposes, whether you keep this boat in your backyard or at a marina, all of your interior upholstery, sea deck, and everything will stay well protected when the boat's not in use. So let's hop on board and go through the boat. We'll start here on the transom of the Sea Ray 350 SLX. So first thing you'll notice is just the amount of space back here. With the convertible seating, with the slide-out bench, it really opens it up. Whether you're getting in and out of the water, entertaining with those in the water, it really just is a nice area to hang out. So as I mentioned, you do have the convertible seating. We have a very high, comfortable backrest. It's a very comfortable place to sit and hang out. We do have the ability to put cup holders in, chargers, control your stereo over there on the port side. And then if you're more of a lounger, this does pull out so you can kick your feet up. So nice convertible setup here. As we move into the boat, you'll notice we have a nice walkthrough that leads into our cockpit. Large fiberglass hardtop for shade and protection. This brings you to your very family-friendly L-style couch seating. So we have stone upholstery. You'll see it's very rich upholstery, nice diamond stitching into the backrest. Just a great area to hang out, whether you're cooking on the grill, have the refrigerator open, grabbing some beverages. It's just a beautiful area. We do have the option to put a nice table right here. It's a teak table, and then this does have designated storage down below deck. As we move forward, we have port and starboard side chairs that do face forward. Nice thing about these is they do have bolsters, so if you want to sit up a little bit higher, get yourself over the windshield, you can, or fold it down and let that windshield get to work and deflect the wind up over your head. All the cushions are not in place at the moment, but we do have a nice berth off to the port side. You can put air conditioning down here. Then off to the starboard side, we have our well-appointed helm. So we have two Simrad digital displays. Notice they are recessed, so it looks real beautiful behind the acrylic backing. And then all of your switches here nicely labeled so you know exactly what you're turning on and off. Fusion Apollo stereo, blend code trim tabs with indicator lights, and then the very familiar Mercury joystick with the skyhook autopilot features as well. To wrap up this video, we'll end up here in the bow, so you'll see a beautiful arrangement up here, lots of seating. So we have forward-facing seats with armrests, so very comfortable spot to hang out. You'll see the ergonomics up here. Everything falls right into place, from your leather wrapped stainless steel rail to the armrest. Just a nice area to hang out with family and friends. We have a designated spot for our igloo cooler. And then as we work our way all the way up to the bow, this boat is equipped with a windlass anchor system. So again, this is Brian McGlenn, MarineMax here in Stuart on the Sea Ray 350 SLX. We'd love to show you this boat in person or give you a little bit more information. Feel free to give us a call at 772-287-4495. Thank you.